Hi team, I wanted to send you guys a quick video just to kind of show you around all of our modules that we have and the Canvas homepage. So when you get onto Canvas, you'll see this first page here. It says Math 080 online. You got nice little places to go to find your assignments, your syllabus, and your modules. There's also a nice little to-do list here to the right. But as you notice over here, there's also some navigation places that you can go to. The first one is the syllabus. If you click on that, then you'll go to the syllabus page. Here's our syllabus here in PDF format. I'll apologize ahead of time. It is so long, but you can always just copy off the pages that you're going to need and keep with you. There's a lot of stuff we have to put in there. But it will give you all of this other information that I've also put down here in tabs, such as how to get a hold of me, my phone numbers, my office hours, materials that you'll need, as well as all of the assignment information. And the schedule is probably what everybody wants to know, is when we're going to cover what material and when everything is due. So remember, this is an online class, so you're going to be covering all of this stuff the first week and so forth. Also at the bottom of, well, let me close out of that one because that's pretty long. At the bottom of the syllabus page, they also have a course summary, which just lists all the assignments and when they're due, and you can actually click on them and they will send you links directly to those assignments. There's another place over here to the left under courses where it says calendar. If you click on that, all of your courses will show up here. And if you want to look at just what's due for Math 80, it gives it to you in a calendar setting. So you can go, oh, here's all the things that are due Thursday of the first week of class. And most assignments are due on Sunday. Ooh, I see that this one is due on Monday. I'll look and see why that is. Maybe that was my mistake. All right, so again, if you go back to the class, modules is actually where you're going to be spending most of your time. So here's how I've designed the modules. I'm sorry, the wind has kicked up my sinuses here. There's an orientation, which is great. It just kind of tells you how to get started in the class, what the classroom policies are. And if you haven't done it already, 2 assignments that you can start on already. One is a discussion board. I know some of you have already posted and did replies, which is awesome. Notice underneath every assignment that's graded, there is a due date and there are points, and it will say either contribute or, like the quiz below, it says submit. Both of these are due on Thursday, February the 10th. Notice here on the discussion board, it says that your post is due Thursday the 10th, but we still want you to reply by Sunday the 20th of the next week. So always look at both due dates that are listed here, not just what's listed below. There is also down below a module for all of my office hours. So even though this is an online class, I'm going to be on a Zoom link, but it's only open during those times, Tuesdays from 8:30 to 9:30, and on Wednesdays from 3:30 to 4:30. So you can find me on Zoom. Just click those links and I'll be on there. Just be careful. Don't click on them on a Sunday because I won't be there. They're only during that time period. During week 0, all of this is prerequisite material and it's optional, but in case you wanted to review some things, there's some videos for adding and subtracting integers, multiplying, dividing integers, fractions, order of operations, property of algebra. Now these are not required, but if you want to kind of take a look at it before you jump into the Math 80 stuff, you can. Week 1 officially starts Monday. And as you notice, as you go through these, to the right, you'll have these little circles. These are things that you need to either view or submit or contribute to. For again, here's the initial discussion board. This one's graded because you see points. This is a discussion board for week 1 assignments. And we'd like for you to contribute, but it's not graded. This is where you're going to put up your homework questions, or if you're unsure about something in the video. And there'll be directions on all of these. For example, if you clicked on the discussion board icebreaker, it would open up this page and it will tell you again when it's due and what exactly we want you to post. and how to reply, how to upload pictures, and how it will be graded. You can look up your rubrics there. Also, as you continue further, they have the objectives for the chapter. This is also where you'll find copies of the textbook where you can look and get other information. Now, in each section that you're to cover for this week, there will be video lessons and there will be homework. If you click on video lessons, it will look something like this. The first one kind of explains a little bit more. It shows you how you can actually increase the size of the videos. You will have required videos. Sometimes you may have 1, you may have 6. It depends on the videos and the sizes. And if we have any optional extra videos, I will put them down below. And you can click on these to watch it. And then again, once you click on it, there will be this little icon in the bottom right for the YouTube where you can expand it. So it may look kind of funky on your phones at first, just the formatting, but I did the best that I could in my coding. So it would work for both a computer and a phone. And last but not least, your homework. When you click on your homework pages, it will look something like this, and you're going to want to start, and then your first question, and you just answer your questions here. But again, keep all of your homework written down so you'll have something to study. Don't do it all on scrap paper and throw it away. And those will automatically go into your grades. We start chapter 2, and then at the very bottom of every week, you'll see the quizzes. And when they're due, for example, the Introduction to Mom quiz is due February 10th. Quiz 1 is due February 13th. All of the other weeks are locked for us, so if you try to get on it, you know, everything will be grayed out. You can see what there is, but it'll be grayed out. I will open those always the Friday before. So in case weekends is your best time to work on things, I will open them up earlier. But please do not get behind. And if there's any other videos you guys want me to post or something else that you're like, hey, can you help with this problem? Those go in the discussion boards. All right. So feel free to play around, take a look, and we are going to get started on Monday. Unless any of you guys want to start early, that's fine too. All right. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me over here in the inbox. Just look up our class and your instructor, and it will send it directly to me. Thanks, guys. I can't wait to meet everybody on the discussion board and work with you guys. Okay, I'm here for you. Bye.